Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to use your Best Buy store credit online. Whether you received store credit after a return, a gift, or just have a card sitting around, I'll show you how to apply it during checkout with zero confusion. Let's get right into it. First thing first, go to bestbuy.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. It's quick and free and it makes checkout easier. Next, shop around and add the items you want to your cart like you normally would. Once you are done shopping, click on the cart icon and hit checkout. Now fill in your shipping address and contact information if it's not already saved. Once that's done, you will move on the payment section. Here's the important part. When you get to the payment section, look for the box that says gift card or store credit. Your Best Buy store credit is treated just like a gift card online. Type in the card number and PIN. You will find both on the back of the store credit card. If you received a digital version, the details should be in the email. Click apply and the credit will be deducted from your total. If your store credit doesn't cover the full amount, if you can pay rest using a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another accepted method. Once your store credit is applied and the remaining balance is paid, just review your order and hit place order. That's it. You will get a confirmation email shortly after. And that's how easy it is. Your Best Buy store credit online. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-tos.